Okay, so welcome to your Sloyd Introduction. I want to give a few points before we get going. First, our equipment, non-cutting mat, or a self-healing mat. Pencils, I prefer non-mechanical pencils and you need to keep them sharp. So a sharpener nearby is always great. And then metal-edged rulers. So there's two key differences in these two rulers. This one has cork back, which is nice, makes it so it doesn't slip easily. The other thing I like is that the zero mark has been inset, you can see that, by a little bit. On this one, the zero mark is the edge of the ruler, and I think professional drafters would probably have you come in so you start your measurements at the 1 inch as opposed to at the 0, and then adjust your measurements from there. It prevents any wear that happens on the end of the ruler from affecting your actual measurement. Knives. So we use an X-Acto knife. It's a metal one, or we use the ceramic one. Okay. Nice thing about ceramic, it's really hard to cut yourself with. Obviously not with the metal. This is going to be how we hold it, and you're going to spend some time practicing holding it. It rests in the pocket here between your forefinger and your thumb. Okay. And then the only finger that's applying any pressure on this knife is your forefinger, okay? And you want to make sure it's at the very top of the knife, and it's and you're just applying downward pressure, okay? You don't want to push with your thumb at all, because that's going to apply a sideways force to it, which is going to be out of control. You just want it up and down. If you can rest your thumb against it as long as you're not applying pressure. You can use your other fingers to anchor, and then you would apply pressure and just cut. Okay, same thing with this one. Knife rests in the pocket, finger at the top. This is called knurling, and then cut. Okay, you will probably want to spend a good bit of time just practicing making cuts. If you can take a piece of paper and just cut after cut after cut after cut, trying to get the same little skinny strips. Okay, so our book that we'll be starting with. And the first projects all start with making a 6x6 square. I'll be making a video of just making that, and then all the subsequent videos will have me starting with the 6x6 square already made.